Afternoon po. Hi. Ako po yung special guest. Hi. Hello. Hi, welcome. Buti hindi kayo natatakot sa akin. Kilala niyo ako? Kilala mo ako? Maano tuloy? Anak, basahan. Pasok ka na. It's okay. Ang ganda-ganda ng shoes. Don't take it off. It's okay. It's so beautiful. Wow, nice naman your clothes. Come inside. Come here. Dito maganda. Dito ka. Ang French na masarap. Masarap. Masarap ang burger steak.
The Mona Lisa is eating burger steak. She said she hasn't eaten for 500 years, so now.
That's why I'm not smiling because I'm hungry in this picture.
The Mona Lisa eats burger steak, and then in her picture she's not smiling, and then wait a minute. Why in the picture you have no eyebrows, but now you have?
Because I'm stressed because of the super hunger. You know what? I'm going home looking like this.
Huh?
And I'm going to say hi to the people. Yeah. I can do that.
Okay. It's still being
And then
video.
I'm going to give them flyers for our studio.
Oh, Mona Lisa. Wait a minute. Are you the Mona Lisa or are you Ramona Lisa?
I am Ramona Lisa. Ramona Lisa Kapapas. Pangit ang apelido ni Mona Lisa. Ang ganda ko doon. Naganda ako doon.
Should I stop the video? Should I stop the video?
Thank you. Galing ni Sophie, oh. Grabe, oh. Why are you hiding? It's not a picture, it's a video. Walking Mona Lisa. Sayaw kasi sayaw ng gawa ganon. Da 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 dan dan da dan dan da dan. What are you writing there? brown? Just tell me, guys. If you're done with the brown, I'm going to give you gold. Yes, baby. Tapon mo to, babe. Itong skin niya sa leeg at saka yung hands. The rest is madali-madali na, okay? So, huwag kayong matakot kasi nandito naman sa teacher ko ng isa. Teacher lang na nag-isa ka lang. You're so hungry? Who's hungry? If you're hungry, you get the, ano? Yes, sabi yun.